This is Jake with A.G. Russell Knives, and today I have for you the A.G. Russell Large Folding Hunter. And large it is. When a handle is on both sides of my larger than average hands, it's a big blade. This is based on the 2009 Texas Ranger. These are the civilian dress versions. We have a yellow Delrin and a Cocobolo. See if I can get a nice close-up of here. Nice dark hardwood. This one's probably a smidge darker than usual, and I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but it is a slight hint of red in there. Very pretty. Excellently solid lockup. Has an excellent snap to it. Alright, let's talk a little bit about the features. On the inside, it is nice and cleaned out. You can see it's pretty in there. One of AG's pet peeves is dirty factory knives on the inside. We have a stopper pin here. That allows you to shut the blade without worrying about the edge hitting the hump and allows for a much wider blade. So no edge damage there. The bolster and liners are made with a 400 series stainless steel, so a nice durable steel. Not quite blade making material, but it's just shy, so it's a pretty high quality steel. It's not going to cheap out on you. There are blades made with 400 series, like a 420 or so. Typically I wouldn't go that low depending on your heat treatment, but excellent high quality steel there. It also features a long French nail mark, and the blade is only polished downward, leaving a edge to this top bit, not to the bottom bit. It's kind of smoothed out to the top bit. It's grippy, so you can use your thumb and open it just like a thumb stud. So one-handed opening on a very nice traditional folding knife. Pretty handy. It is only on that one side, so no one-handed opening for the left-handers, unfortunately. But it opens just as well with two hands. It also has a nice brown braided leather lanyard fob. You can stick the knife in your pouch or in your pocket and have easy access to it with the lanyard. On the inside of the blade, for the spring, we are using a coil spring. And that's what keeps the tension on the lock bar there. The coil spring is a nice little coiled spring. It saves a lot of space compared to other springs. It has a longer lifespan, and it's just a little bit smoother on the opening and closing. Or the opening of the lock, at least. The unlocking. So when we can, we use the coil spring. The blade is a clip point blade with a lot of belly. So you can use that for skinning with that ever-changing angle, nice and sharp. I'll give you a cut test here. Helps if you hold the paper. It is fully flat ground, so you're not gonna run into the fur catching on a fatter bit of the knife. It's full flat. Nice even grind lines. Blade steel is using an 8CR 15 MRV, so slightly more chromium in there for a better resistance to rust. Especially since you're probably going to get a little blood on it if you're using it for hunting. We get great reviews on our heat treatment of the 8CR, and that's rock welling from 57 to 58. So a nice solid rock well. Made by our best manufacturer in China. They do a fantastic job on the fit and finish. As you can see from this blade, it's just immaculately done. Can barely see the transition. Big solid blade. Let's do some measurements. Blade length, we are looking at, hopefully my ruler's big enough, 4 3/4 inches. And handle, we are at, and it's probably easier to go this way. Let's see, we're at 5 5/8. Yeah, hard to tell from the camera angle, but we're at 5/8 there. So a nice big solid meaty handle for those of you who have really big hands. This will help you skin something big and still be a nice folding blade. And let's grab my caliper here. Blade thickness, we're coming in at 0.15 inches there. Handle thickness, let's get to the thickest part here, 0.62. So a little over 1/2 inch, or the bolster at 0.52, 1/2 inch in thickness there. Width on the blade, we're at a full inch, 1.02 inches. 0.4 right here on the widest bit. So a nice big wide blade. You got a lot of sharpens in that. This will last you a long time. Width on the handle, we're just at over 1 inch as well. It's amazing how wide of a blade we can fit in a similarly sized handle while still fitting in the lock. That is thanks to the stop pin, allowing you to shut the blade without hitting it on the hump, without worrying about the edge. Weight-wise, we're looking at 7 ounces for the Cocobolo and 7.1 for the yellow Delrin. And that will complete my overview of the A.G. Russell Large Folding Hunter. Thank you guys for watching. And let me know if there's another A.G. Russell knife you want me to overview. Have a wonderful day.